Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nafis Akasha bin Muhammad Mahiri. So today I will show you on how to use a Vlookup function in Google Sheets. So let me give you an example of situation. Aiman was given a set of data of his classmate result. His teacher asked him to make a report card of each of his classmates result. How can Aiman make an automated report card using Google Sheets? So to solve Aiman problem, of course we need to use Google Sheets, but how can we solve the problem? So we need to use a Vlookup function. So let's say I have the data here about Aiman's classmate result. So the first step is to organize the data. So as you can see, I already organized the data in form of February test, mid-year test, August test and final year test. And the second step is to make another sheet and put in the title in the table. So as you can see, so the second step is to make a template or another table on another sheet on the report card. So as you can see, I already prepared a student's report card and example of student report card. So the third step is to create a data validation for the students, name here. So how do we create a data validation? So the first thing we need to do, click the cell and click the data, click data validation, go to sheet 1, enter orange formula, and then we select from Nur Aisyah until Farah binti Muhammad. Alright, so click save, and then here we go, we already done the data validation. So to make a Vlookup function for the February test, mid-year test, August test and final year test, so what is the meaning of Vlookup? So let me give you an example here. I already prepared this. So as we can see, if I choose Faiz bin Hakim, as you can see, the February test, mid test, August test and final test, it shows us the marks of the student. So how do we make into this? So the first thing we need to do is type this, type Vlookup, choose Vlookup function, and then the first thing that Google Sheet asks us to do is type the search key. For the search key, we just need to see as we can see, the Nur Aisyah binti Ahmad is on C5. So we type C5. Right. So the next thing we need to do is for the range. For the range, as we can see, we go back to the sheet 1, and then we choose this. Actually, we choose all of this from Nur here to here. Right. Then type comma, and then they ask for us for the index. For the index, as we can see, the February test is on column 2. As you can see here, column 2. So I just type 2, then comma, and finally it's sorted. Actually, the sorted thing is not very important, so we can easily just type false function, and then close bracket, and then click enter. So as we can see, it appears on February test. So how do we make this into mid-year test, August test and final year test? So we just need to pull this up until we just need to pull this up until final year test. Here we go. So that's all that we need to do to make an Vlookup function. So as we can see, if I choose Ahmad Zaidi, it will appear his marks for the exam. If I choose Putri Batrisha binti Jailani, it will appear her result. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you very much.